Okay, on this video, we're going to be looking at the Rockwell hardness tester. We have one set up for a B scale and one set up for a C scale. The instructions are on top if you have any problems. There's also a conversion chart on the wall. So on your lab exercise, it will state whether it's a B or C scale. Plus on your part, this one says part number 8, B scale. So this one would be checked on this one. And this obviously is very, very hard. It's been hardened. This is part number 6. So it doesn't say, so we're going to assume it's going to be for the C scale. So the way this works, I'll get down here so you can see. We're going to open this up with the handle forward. You want to make sure that your handle is forward. Now we're going to take the part up until there are 2 dials on here. We want to make sure the small dial is pointing at the red dot. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 rounds right there. Now the small dial is pointing on the red dot. This one's adjustable. We'll adjust it right here. And what we do, we pull it back very slowly. It's hydraulic, so you can see that it's moving very slowly. Okay, and we'll give it just about 10 seconds after it stops. Because what it's doing now, it's doing the preload. If there's any scale, if it's hot rod, or if there's any rust on it or anything like that, it should be cleaned first. But if not, this is going through that scale. Now we pull it forward, and according to our recording here, the C scale is on the outside. This is a Rockwell 54. So that's how we check this on the Rockwell C scale. Rockwell 54. It's set up for the C scale. It has the diamond pyramid in it. And I can look on the wall here, Rockwell 54 converted to Brunel is 532. So if I were calculating speeds and feeds and I needed to know the hardness, that's what I would do. Okay, so that's very, very hard. This is probably a piece of 01 tool steel that we've been working with, so that's about right. Okay, now we're going to check something on the other hardness tester that's set up for the B scale. So we have our flat anvil in here, and we actually have a ball penetrator in this one. So it's a larger indentation. So we'll find a nice smooth surface here. Right there looks very good. So let's lower it down, and we'll do the same thing on this one. We'll set it straight up and make sure the handle is set in the proper location. It is start right here. Okay, so we're going to take this on up. We're going to go 1, 2 rounds. And then we're going to gently pull this back. And on this machine, the B scale is in the red. So we pull it forward, and it looks like the B scale is 85, maybe around 85 or so. Okay, so the B scale of 85, that's pretty soft. That comes about Brunel 166. Okay, so we want to leave this handle up, and now we'll take our part back out, and we're in good shape. Okay, so again, with all the other labs, if you have questions, just hunt me down and let me know.